Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige B, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing something very simple but kind of like a honey bronzy golden look. I don't know what to call this video yet, but I am feeling the vibes to something golden, like honey gold, because listen, I made this wig. If you guys did not watch that video, how I make the wig and how I color the wig, and also how I put this wig on with just the bedhead spray, which is this right here, make sure you watch that video because it was a really good to try and to just test out. This is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. The link is always down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I love this hair so much, and I'm so happy the way how it turned out. Like, look at this color. It is just giving me summer right now, and I need summer because in New Jersey right now it is still damn cold. I don't know what's going on, so I need summer in my life. And yeah, we're gonna jump right in. I already did my eyebrow off camera, and I also prime and prep my skin with my regular stuff, which is the Hue Face Cream for anti-aging. This is the moisturizer, and then I use the serum which have hyaluronic acid into it. You guys know this is what I always use. I don't change it up, and if I do, I will show you and I will tell you if it's good. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'll be using the NARS Radiant in Amande. That's how you pronounce it, Amanda. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna use that to prime my eyes so that I can start with the eyeshadows. Okay guys, so now that my eyes are primed, I'm gonna go ahead and use my xoxo Buttercup setting powder just to set it, because I do have a lot of creases, so I have to go ahead and set it. And I'm just gonna tap it in. And how are you guys like feeling from the whole quarantine? Like, are you over it? To be honest, I am. I'm over the whole quarantine. I just can't wait to go back to normal life. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, it's just getting to my brain, and it's also like my sleeping habits are very off. Like, is it just me? But it's not me, because I asked my couple people that I know, and they're saying the same thing. They're going to bed late, they can't sleep. It's just crazy. Last night I went to bed almost 2 o'clock in the morning, and I had to force myself to sleep. Like, that's how bad it is. Like, it is like really crazy. Like, I want it to be over and just go back to normal life. Like, anyways, let's jump into the Morphe palette, which is a 39A, and I think I'm only gonna do like either the most 3 shadows. Oops, almost hit myself in the face. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shadow right here, and I'm gonna take it onto a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start tapping it. I like to start tapping it first. And this shadow is very subtle. It's showing, but it's very subtle, which I like. And then I'm gonna bring it in, kind of like a moon shape, kind of see moon shape area, just like that. And then when I get to that color that I need, I'm gonna blend it in. So the next shade I'm gonna go into, which is gonna be a darker shade, and I'm gonna take this nice maroon color right here, and then I'm gonna place it onto a smaller brush, just like that. And then I'm gonna put it right into the crease. Okay guys, so now that both side is on, and the last shade I'm gonna go into is this nice, which one should I take? I think I'm gonna take this one right here, and then I might go into this one. But first I'm gonna take this nice one right here. It's not that golden as I want it to be. I think I might change the palette because I want something more golden, but I'm gonna put this right on top first and see how it looks. If it's too dark, I'm gonna put a lighter golden shade on top. Not bad, but I think I want a little bit lighter, just a little tip. So I'm just gonna put this one. And then for the end part, I'm gonna go back into that same shade and just tap it right on top. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette from ABH, and I'm gonna take this nice golden shade right here, which is called Zam, and I'm gonna take it and put it right close to the inner corner and a little bit on top, but I'm not going to bring it all the way where I did the other color. Just right here, and just bring it in just a little bit. Oh, this is looking really nice. I love this. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and, should I do a wing? No, I'm not going to do a wing today. I'm just going to go ahead and just do a line so that I could hide that band when I put it on. Guess what? It's finished. It's done. And I can't even go to NYX. Are you joking me? Oh my god. It is done. But it's still shaking. What the hell? I am angry. Okay guys, so I guess there won't be any wing today because my NYX that I always use, and it's my favorite, is done. It is completely done. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, and I need to get some more mascara because this one is like drying out. Okay guys, so I am waiting for my lashes to be dry. I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer to color correct, and this is what I always use, the LA Girl Pro in the shade orange. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it right underneath the eyes because that's where I have a lot of dark spots, dark circle, whatever you call it. But I'm gonna put it right here and around my 5 o'clock shadows. Okay guys, so the lashes is on, and the style that I'm rocking is Fluffy from my main collection. Make sure you guys check out the description for that link. Okay, so as this on, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. You guys know that this is one of my favorites foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all over my skin. And you know what I realize right now, whenever I don't color correct and put that color correct right into, you know, that area right here on your nose, when I don't do the color correct and I put it on, the foundation does not stick and it have a crease right here. You ever have that problem? But when I do put on that color correct, and you see that I bring that color correct right where the nose is, it does not stick, the foundation stick, and it doesn't look cakey or creased up. It just looks so blended. Like, it's just weird. Like, you ever had that problem where you're having issues with your foundation sticking around your nose area, try that. Do the color correct, whatever color correct you have, orange one, anyone you have, if it's the LA Girl, if it's the MAC, but just do the color correct and you will see a difference if you do have problems with your foundation not sticking around your nose area. Because let me tell you something, I was like, what is going on? Why my foundation is not sticking around here? And then as soon as I start to do the color correct, it started to stick. And I was like, what? This is crazy. So yeah, I will never stop color correcting, even if I don't have any, discoloration or any dark spots. I will never stop color correcting, especially around here. Okay guys, so now that the foundation is on, like, look at this. This foundation just melt right into my skin. I love it so much. So now I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna try the Fenty today. I haven't used that Fenty concealer in a while, so I'm gonna be using it today. And the shade that I'm using is 380. And then I'm gonna use that same beauty blender and start blending. Yo, this Fenty foam concealer dried on really fast. So now I'm gonna go into the Fenty, which is butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that same beauty blender and do right underneath the eyes. So next I'm going to take the other Fenty, and this one is in Nutmeg, and I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face, and just go ahead and just brush off that excess powder under my eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom eyes, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like the one that I use for the outer corner, and I'm gonna almost drop it. Woo, child. And I'm gonna put it right underneath, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I'm gonna leave that area blank. Oh, she pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm like losing everything and it's right in front of my face. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my cheeks, and I'll be using the Fenty in Mocha Mami. This is what I always use. I'm not gonna change because this just gives my cheeks life. Like, look at that. And then put a little bit onto the nose. And then for this, I'm gonna be doing a reverse contour because I wanna have a snatched cheek area. And then I'm gonna quickly brush it off. So next I'm going to go into my blush. I need to hurry up and spray my face because I feel my skin tightening up from all of that powder. You guys know I do have dry skin, and me and powder are not friends, to be honest. Like, we kind of hate each other. Like, we do have a love and hate for each other. Like, I don't like it and it's just what it is. Okay, so I could spray my face right now. I'm going to be using the ABH Dewy Set. And you guys know I drench my skin. Okay, next I'm gonna go into my NYX. This is the illuminating palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these two right here on the bottom and just glide it right on top. Ooh, yes, this is nice. Okay, so the final step is the lips, and I'm gonna take my, which one is this? This is Deep Purple, and then this Urban Decay one, which is called 1993. I love this one because it's very nude and it matches my skin. So should I use purple instead? No, I'm not. What am I doing? I'm gonna be using another one, which is Natural Beige, and then see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and put this Marc Jacob one right on top. It's a little bit more glossy, and it has some specks of glitter right on top. I'll put it into the center, and then one more time I'm going to spray my face. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the Golden Honey Bronzy makeup look. I think I'm going to call it that. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. But this is the look that I came up with, which was very nice. I love the way how it turned out, and it took me like 45 minutes for me to complete every single thing on my face, which is kind of weird because normally when I do my makeup it takes me like an hour and a half to finish everything, but it took me like 45 minutes, and I'm shocked. And it turned out so well, like look at that. Okay, so this is really nice, and don't forget to check out yesterday's video where I show you guys how I color this hair, how I style it, and also how I put it on. Okay, so make sure you guys check out yesterday's video because I do upload Monday through Friday, so make sure you guys check me out every single day of the week. Okay, like my video, give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.